Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites. You need an active Microsoft account and the correct password. Open your preferred browser, go to the Microsoft sign-in page, and enter your email. Once entered, type your password carefully. Password managers help avoid typos. If prompted, complete any CAPTCHA or device verification. This prevents automated blocks. Make sure two-step verification is on if you want stronger security, because it protects your rewards balance and personal data from unauthorized access. After signing in, locate the Microsoft Rewards entry, either via the profile menu or the Rewards Hub link. Click through and grant any requested permissions. This enables tracking of searches and points. If you manage multiple accounts, use the profile switcher to pick the correct one. Mistaken accounts won't show your points. Once inside, check your rewards dashboard for points, offers, and daily sets. If you plan to earn consistently, enable Microsoft Bing as your default search engine to accumulate points automatically. To finish, review your dashboard skills. Claim daily points, complete quizzes, and redeem rewards when ready. If you encounter sign-in loops or unexpected errors, log out, clear browser cookies, and attempt the sign-in again. This often resolves session conflicts. If you can't access your account, use Microsoft's account recovery flow. Follow the prompts, provide recent activity details, and verify identity. Remember, strong passwords and two-step verification reduce future recovery needs, so enable them after.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.